Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your PlayStation 5 as the primary console, so you can share PlayStation Plus and all your games to every other account on your PlayStation. So go to your main profile. You got all your games you buy on. So let's go to Switch User, and you can see I got PlayStation Plus on this account. I'm going to go to this account, then log in. And to activate it as primary, go up to the top to Settings, and then go on down to Users and Accounts, and then go on down to Others. And then go right and go to Console Sharing and Offline Play. This will be the equivalent as activating as primary on your PS4. And just simply go to Enable right here, and you should be good to go. Now download all the games on your main account here, and they will be able to access them on your second account or third account or fourth account. So download them under your collection right here, and you should be good to go, and they shouldn't be locked on your other accounts now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.